everyone! San Diego is one of our favorite places to go, so here are 5 things that you have to do when you go visit San Diego. Number 5. Visit the Sistine Chapel of San Diego. After eating some yummy food, head over to the Our Lady of the Rosary Catholic Church, which has ceilings inspired by the Sistine Chapel. It's so beautiful. Number 4. Visit the Mission Beach Pacific Beach Boardwalk. Mission Beach Pacific Beach Boardwalk spans 3.5 miles, and we just love to go there to people watch. It's next to the beach, it's so nice. And when you ride a scooter, it's so fun. I recorded a video for you guys if you want to watch to see what it feels like. Then at the end of the boardwalk, you can go visit Belmont Park, which is a really nice little amusement park. Number 3, visit San Diego Zoo. I made a video of our visit to San Diego Zoo, so click the link above if you want to check it out. Number 2, visit SeaWorld. I thought SeaWorld was more fun than the San Diego Zoo because of the live performances. I made a full video on that. You'll really get a sense of what it's like there, but you have to check it out in person, so click on the link above. And the number 1 thing that you have to do when you're in San Diego, eat tacos. Tacos taste a million times better in San Diego versus the rest of California. We have had so many tacos in San Diego, and they're all super yummy. Then we've also had Oscar's Mexican Seafood. We had Salud, which has a really amazing restaurant decor. And then they have this flash fry tortilla, oh my goodness, which was really yummy. But then our favorite, you cannot go to San Diego without going to this place, is the taco stand. The best tacos ever. The best chips and guac and tacos and burritos. I could eat this every day. And we've tried both the La Hala and the B Street locations, and I personally prefer the La Hala one. The Mar y Tierra burrito is my favorite. So if you guys go to San Diego, let me know if you try any of these things, how you like them, which one's your favorite taco place. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.